week 2 of the challenge. We have the update for the second week of our $50 per week. So we've each deposited $100. Uh, Ben, how'd you do?
This week, not so good.
Oh,
uh,
that's good. I'm glad. I'm glad to hear that because go ahead. Go ahead. Let me
yeah,
know if you want to show me or if, yeah, let me know, man. You can go ahead and give me the gist of it, though.
yeah. No, I'll show you. Rough week for sure. I think just in general across the stock market,
Yeah,
but uh, yeah, no, I basically wiped out all my gains from last week as well.
really.
Not completely, but um, yeah.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
It was the
Oh,
past week.
so
So I'm up almost 2% in total, but
yeah.
all the profit from last week wiped out.
Oh no. Yep.
I I ended
All
up
right.
buying Clove, as you can see.
Yes. Clove Health Investments. Yes,
Yep,
Clove.
and I bought at the beginning of the week like the highest price possible.
Oh shit, man. I hate it when that happens. It happens to all of us, the best of us. Clove, I like that stock. It's been doing pretty well in the short term, especially if you've been buying in that lower area.
Yeah,
Um, but it's been a little volatile. It's a lower stock. They're starting to get pretty decent earnings, if you ask me. They have a good amount of potential. I don't mind them. I think they would have done better. It's just a rough week in the market, so
and their earnings is coming up
yeah.
this week. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
think that will either send it
Yeah.
skyrocketing or tumbling. We'll see.
I think that either way, you'll at least have the potential to, you know, make some day trades if you wanted to sell it higher and just dump it. I think you'll have the potential because earnings does move stocks quite a bit, as you know.
Especially with cheap ones like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, I'll show you my $50 per week account. Oh shit. Uh, alrighty. You're probably gonna laugh at this.
What you got? You do more trading this week?
Yeah, I did some more trades. Um, hang on one sec. I can't share the tab because it's opened in a different browser. I thought I would be able to.
Yeah, mine's open in a different browser.
It is?
Yep.
I don't know what I'm not seeing it. Let me look again. Uh, nah, I'm not seeing it. It's only gonna take me a second though.
Okay.
All right, $50 account getting pulled up
Like clothes
in
been going
19,
down for like
18.
a strange month.
Yeah, man, it has been.
Hmm. But that was that $5.50. That was a crazy spike too.
Yeah, yeah. Alrighty. Feast your eyes.
You're broke.
Yeah. So here's the reason why. Well, I don't know. I don't honestly exactly know the reason, but it's because I was 1 week ahead of you. I put $50 in, and then I withdrew $50, and I think I just used a tiny bit of the buying power on accident or something. But uh, you see my $50 a week account?
Yep,
How did it do this week, Ben?
down $1.
Yep. I bought this new stock. I found it on the top gainers list. It's called Vera Mobility, VRRM, ticker symbol. Uh,
Is that the one you
and man,
posted the article about?
no, I don't think so.
I think you did post an article about that.
Really. Vera? Oh, I think I did, yeah, because it was the top gainer.
Yeah, you
Um,
did.
but look at this. Yeah, look at this, man. It's unbelievable to me. Well, it has decent ratings, only buy and hold. Look at those earnings for a $5 stock.
What's the PE ratio?
PE ratio, it's like five. For every $5 you buy, you make like $1 of earnings a year.
Really?
Yeah, let me see. Where is it?
6.45.
Yeah, so that's not bad. But
Huh.
I thought it was a great
That's
buy.
that's
And
extremely low.
it's gotten crushed.
Click that year to date.
It's gotten crushed.
Are
So
they what's
I
the
think
story?
that I don't know. I to
Are
be
they
perfectly
losing money?
honest,
Are they going out of business? What do they
I don't
do?
think so. They they basically I'm pretty sure they're like flock cameras.
Uh
I think they're like that kind of technology. Smart mobility technology services, government solutions. To be perfectly honest, I'm not entirely sure. Uh,
I'm looking it up right now.
yeah, but I thought they looked like a decent stock.
Well, I think as long as they're not going out of business or someone's destroying them in competition, yeah, that PE ratio is extremely low for what looked like stable earnings for at least the past year.
Yeah, yeah,
I'll have to look into that a little more.
yeah. But I thought that they were doing well. I thought it would be a reasonable buy. Um, but and then I just held now, and then I also made one other trade. I don't know if you noticed. Now did very well this week.
I did see that.
They had a great week. They were up like, I don't know, probably almost like 10%, 12% past week.
Very nice. And you held
Yeah.
that through. So you made some poor trades then? Is that what happened?
I made one poor trade. Uh, and it was an awful trade. And I lost like 15% immediately. And I was going to rebuy, but I didn't, and I just lost all my gains. Otherwise, I would
Yeah.
have been up like, if I go to the 1 week chart, as you can see, I was up to, hang on, I don't know why it's going so slow. I was up to like, you know, 107. I was getting up there. So I was having a decent week, but I made a couple of poor trades. But overall, I'm still up $1. Not that bad. All right, Ben. So today is now the reveal of our first week $100 per week challenge.
I thought it was $100
Oh yeah,
once.
$100 all time. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So only depositing $100, and we're gonna see what we can do with that $100. Trading options only. Ben, how would you say you did?
Um, Let's see yours first, since you
What?
already you
Oh.
already screen sharing here. Just
All right, all right, all right.
just pop up the other one.
Oh, Ben. You're putting me on the spot, man. I beat you this week in percentage wise though. I mean, total cash loss, you lost more than me in the $50 a week. I'm saying I
Yeah.
won this week, even though you're still above me. And for now, we'll just say, this was an obvious a loss for you. We're at almost the same amount.
Well, you definitely won the week.
Yeah,
I'm winning the challenge barely, but
yeah, I won the week. You're winning the challenge.
I'm
That's
yeah,
exactly correct.
I'm down 6.5% this week, so not ideal.
All right, are you all righty? All right, so I was so proud of my $100 options trading account. I was so proud of it,
Oh,
man.
wait. How
What?
how deficient is your account? How,
How deficient?
yeah. If you click on that, how much does it say you owe?
$10.
$10. Okay.
10.57. Do you see it?
Yeah. No, I can't see. It's not your sheet screen's not sharing anymore.
All right, hang on. Oh yeah, for some reason it stopped sharing. All right, I'm gonna share my. I owe $10 though. Don't worry about that. Don't disqualify me. It was an error. It was an honest error. But yeah. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
$100 per week. I don't know why it's not popping up.
Technical difficulties.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
I had a whopping 13% week.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, check this out. First day, lost a little, got up, made almost 10%, sold. I made 10% minus the fee. Second day, I was up 38%. Or I think I didn't even start. Yeah, I started one day late. So this was Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, I was doing fantastic. I made
Dang.
one great trade. I was up 68% for the week. It doesn't show it on the weekly chart, but I made one more trade. As you can see, I bought Ondas calls, and Ondas didn't even do that bad. They only went down like 20 cents, literally, and I just lost all my gains. I was down to, it doesn't show it here as well, but yeah, at first I spiked up to like 198, and I had a limit call or a limit sell to sell at 200 so I could double my money for the week. And right before it hit that, Honda started going down. I lost it all. It went down to like $78, came up a little bit. I held the calls, so I'm holding them through the weekend until Monday. Ondas's earnings is coming up, so I'm hoping that I can get a swing trade on Monday and just get rid of them for at least what I bought them for. If not, get back up to like 150 is my plan. I mean,
So
giving away my strategy here, but
what were some of the trades you made this week?
so I think I remember it perfectly. And yes, I do remember it perfectly, man. The first day was Unusual Machines. Traded that one. The second day, I traded SoFi. And it was the most beautiful trade I've ever made. I bought calls at the ultimate low of the day and sold at the peak
Nice.
recovery. Yeah, it was
Nice.
like looking back, it was just like that was ultimate perfect timing. I was really happy with that trade. And then
Hell yeah.
this day, yeah, third day, I traded Unusual Machines again. If I held, I would have spiked up, but I wanted to make a good trade and get out. Unfortunately, I should have done the same with Ondas. I was getting a little greedy. I was like, one last trade, get from a 68% to a solid 100% gain for the week, and I was inches away from grabbing that and closing it out, but unfortunately dropped. But I still ended up with a 13.5% week. So
Yeah.
I would say I came in the middle. If it was like a marathon, I came in the middle of the maybe in the top three quarters even, you know. But
Well,
that definitely wasn't a loser. Um, so not bad,
well,
not bad. Go
you
ahead, Ben.
did compared to me, you did phenomenal. I did so bad.
Really?
Yeah, I
Oh shit.
lost a lot.
Oh shit. Oh
Um,
boy, let's see it. Oh wow.
what you think about that?
Well,
It's like
uh,
if I, it's like if I don't pick it up this week, the challenge will be over soon.
all right. Whoever runs out of money first is the loser of the challenge, of course. The loser of the challenge, as we agreed, has to eat 1 gallon of mayonnaise on camera.
I'm not doing that. I'll eat a handful of chilies.
Okay, all right, that's fine. That's all right.
Extremely hot chilies.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll trust you that you wouldn't normally want to do that from your own free will, and that it would be slightly painful and uncomfortable. All right, yeah, man. Well,
Yeah.
you still have uh, I mean, as you know, you can still make some good moves. You can recover out of this. Your options are limited, but
Yeah. No, I mean, I'm not too worried about it. If I completely lose like that, then we'll just restart and just take
I'm
all that
fine.
money and dump it into your main account or something.
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine with that. That's a good idea. Unless uh, I could lose by next week, dude, and you could win. You don't know.
Oh, yeah,
Options.
with options, yeah,
Yeah,
it's anyone's game still. I
it's
mean,
anyone's game still. It's
you
anyone's
have
game. I
close
mean, I
to three
definitely have
times
the
what
upper
I've got.
hand. Yeah, yeah. I can buy like there's a lot of stocks, a lot more contracts that I have availability to just with
Hmm.
that extra $13 above 100.
Yep.
There was like some stocks that I was and some contracts I was looking at on the first day, and it was like $105, and I was like, I would buy that one right now if I had the extra $5, you know. So, well, man, I would say it's another good week. I'm excited for next week. It's
Yeah.
always a fun trading week, and this week was quite the week in the markets. You got to
Oh,
admit,
yeah,
man,
definitely.
it was wild. So I thought I did pretty good.
Oh, you did, man, for sure.
Yeah, yeah. In your account, your $50 a week account, you're still taking the lead, but if you compare the two accounts, we're each 1 for 1 now, I would say.
Yeah, you
I
won.
mean, technically you won last week too, but yeah, that's nothing. That doesn't matter. Today's win, my win today is what matters, not yours last week.
There's also a lot of earnings coming up this week. Last week and this week are big earnings weeks, so
Also, on to some usual machines, a lot of those kind of spectacle stocks like Redwire that I have and some other picks like that. Uh, they're coming up the second week of August. So, yeah, the next 2 weeks are going to be pretty crazy in the markets, man. It's going
it's
to be fun.
earnings season, yeah.
Yeah,
What do you think what do you think the market will do this week in general?
I tend to be optimistic. I think it's going to be a good week. Uh,
Yeah.
for the stocks I picked, I think it's going to be all right. I think that there'll be some choppy days. I think that we're going to see some good earnings hit and some confidence will start coming back. I feel like the war news is starting to get kind of stale. It doesn't have the same effect as it did, when the war
Um,
started. I feel like it was new news. Now it's just the same thing every day. So there's less reaction to it. I don't know. I could be wrong.
I don't know. I feel like the war still has quite an impact. Like that, was it Monday, Tuesday? No, Wednesday. Wednesday was just extremely bloody for just the market in general, and that was just because they announced some more strikes or something. I don't know. Something about Iran.
Yeah, yeah. Um,
But I mean, Thursday was a big recovery day, so
yeah. I mean, I'm a pretty big believer in free markets, and I think that the countries that are wanting to sell their oil are going to find alternative ways. They're not going to give up, they're going to find a solution. It could escalate worse, but I think ultimately, I don't think this is going to be the end of the world. The economy is going to keep moving forward. I think in 15 years, the economy is going to be bigger than it is now. We'll look back at the couple years of, you know, the barrels of oil not getting through the Strait of Hormuz. I'm saying a couple of years now because that's what I think it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be over anytime soon, but
yeah,
I think it's going to become obsolete. I feel like it already has become more obsolete. Australia's building their first refinery. Um, uh, I don't know, man. I think it's going to be okay, but sometimes you have to be a professional optimist when you're an investor, you know.
yeah,
And it's true. The market's going to go up because what is it? The end of the world, or it's going to keep going up. That's kind of what I believe. Uh,
basically,
yeah, yeah,
besides a couple short years of downtime, it's always
yeah,
going up.
yep, yeah. Well, man, good week.
Yeah, great week for
Yeah.
you. Well, I would say your one account had a great week. Your other account was
It did.
average.
It had a pretty good week, and I was up so high. And the thing is, on this, it could easily pop a little bit on Monday morning. Those contracts could easily go up 100%. My entire account is in that right now. I could easily pop up to like 240, I
Yeah,
bet, on Monday morning if Honest just goes up to like, you know, $7.90 or something. I'll be way green, and I'll just get out of it right then. That'll be my trade for the day. I'll try to find another opportunity. That's my hope.
yeah. Are you still trying to do a bunch of trades in your 50 per week account? Is that still your strategy?
Yeah, but my strategy gets thrown off when I think the stock is either good to hold for another week or I'm down a little bit and I don't want to sell yet because I think it's going to go up. So I start to, you know, I think that that's unfortunate sometimes when you buy something, you think it's going to go up and instead you end up holding it, but it happens to all of us. Uh, the longer you hold it, the worse. Sometimes you just have to know when to get out. Um, so I will keep making new trades as soon as the initial trades have a good exit point. You know what I mean? I
Yeah,
would hope to make one per day, but if my plan doesn't work out that day and I wait, I may end up holding it for the week or who knows, a couple weeks, a month while I miss out on other opportunities. And I think that's just a poor strategy, but it's also just kind of unavoidable unless you know exactly when to get out when you made the wrong choice. It's strange, but yeah, I don't know if that answers your question, but I will keep trying to trade. Yeah, I will.
yeah. I think I'm just gonna buy and hold stuff for the most part. It's not like trading's off the counter, but I got
Um,
trades going on in so many different accounts that kind of just want to buy and hold and see what happens.
yeah. Uh, I think there's been a study done that actually shows that if most people just hold the stocks that they initially wanted to buy and hold, they would be up instead of doing all this other stuff like, oh, I'm going to sell here, buy this one, and then rebuy this one. And sometimes it's hard to predict, and a lot of the time it's better just to hold. So there's nothing wrong with that strategy at all.
Warren Buffett said time in the market is better than timing the market.
Exactly,
So
exactly, man. Yes,
we'll
yeah,
see.
yep.
All right, man. Well, guess I'll see you next week.
All right, Ben. Good week. I'll
Good
see
week,
you
man.
then.
Have a good one.
You too, bro. Peace.
Peace.